I don't know why these are always filmed in the car, but this video should be good. It's it'll have a lot of drone footage, like a lot of drone footage. And it's like the most crystal clear blue water that you'll see. So we hit up Yeppoon, Airlie Beach, Proserpine in this vid, and I think that's it. But yeah, we're slowly making our way south. So I think we start off in Townsville, somewhere there, and then yeah, we're sort of plodding down the coast. There's so many!
Yeah, but where's the chocolate apple?
I don't know. Look at these guys. Oh. See if you can walk up the whole snake, Dave. Quick little stopover in Bowen. I think we've done maybe 300 k's today so far. Still got another 50 or 60 to go. It's tall. Uh-oh. Traffic.
Traffic.
Elle, come back, Bubby. Super fast, don't they?
Sunset looks sick. Oh. Get back. Oh, he's still away. Well, we made it into Airlie Beach. We did plan on stopping here, but we couldn't get in anywhere. Like the place that we looked at, I think it's the NRMA, that was booked out until like November or even February next year or something ridiculous. So we said, oh bugger it, look, we're just going for the day, check it out, and then we'll keep driving through. But we got in there, the kids loved it. There were so many playgrounds and it was just beautiful. So we ended up calling this guy who had he's got a bunch of paddocks up in the hills behind Airlie Beach. So we hit him up. It's 20 bucks unpowered, and we had this lovely family parked up next to us, and we spent 2 nights there and loved it. Got down to the beach every day, got for walks, parks, had a few beers, but yeah, it's well worth the stop. Airlie Beach is such a vibe. Everyone's out, you know, early in the morning, running, jogging, swimming, having coffee. It's so cool. remember driving through Proserpine here, and this is sort of like after we've just finished up at Airlie Beach and all of that, and that was sort of the last spot where you sort of felt unsafe swimming in the ocean. And I'm like, man, it was a bummer we didn't see any crocs in the wild. And then just as we said that, we went over this bridge and I saw this, it looked like a croc slash a log way off in the distance. I'm like, we'll have a look anyway. So we pulled over and we picked up the drone, and it was a croc, and these are the clips. Where'd anyone see? It's all to itself. How do you kick it? Ready? Go, go, go! Run! Run, run! Go faster! Yeah. Go kick it to mummy. Oh. Oh yeah, baby. Ready? Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, the banana. Okay. Just donking her on the face. Go, Zave. Do your biggest one. Watch out for Lala. Oh, yep. Catch. Ah. Oh, jeez. You get a big catch on. Ready? Oh, you gotta run for it. Get there. Oh. Ah. Hang on, Mum's got to catch one. Here it is. Ah. Grab it. Hang on, I gotta draw a line up here. Wait. Wait. Here comes Mummy, the state runner. All right, ready, go. Oh! Oh, Mummy still wins. Oh, you did good.
Elle.
You did good.
I'm a bit tired. I don't know if I can race back on that.
All right, line up again, Dave. Line up again. Wait. Good job. Oh dear. You cheeky chaps. I love these shells. Oh my word. They're just everywhere. Mr. Gladdy. Wow, we've been looking for these cowies every. Oh my gosh! Oh my word! What the hell is going on? Oh! Jackpot! Oh, it's a white one. Wow. Oh, they're so pretty. First time it's under $2 the whole trip. What? Of course you want to go backwards. This little rascal. Spion.
Of course, it's the day that we arrive that they take down the slide.
Oh, Lala. Tap your speed bump. That's it. Go, Ellie. Yoo-hoo.
I might make you go faster.
Whee!